One at a time?
Because I no, how many you put in here?
I put 1, 2, 3, 4.
You sure, babe?
Pretty sure.
Because I counted it already ba?
Oh no. I just put it on top there. Should be good. You can count your basket afterwards. I'll get the count.
Ay, nako. That's the thing though. I'm
If you know your
not supposed
basket
to do that. You don't do that because
No,
I'm gonna get...
First time.
Ay, nako. Munang dagan akong trabaho. Munang
I took this new one, this new one. Yep.
You sure? Na, magbalik na sa kuhaan ni karon. Okay, next, brand new slipper from Old Navy. Again, kung di mo siya ka-size, please PIF. Kung ako'y size 6, napunda ako'y charis. You sure, babe?
I'm trying to guess my best. I was like, wait a minute, I just grabbed
naku,
2 now.
magbalik
I was
na
like, you know what, you got 2.
ani.
It was like match. So
Okay, another another PIF item. This is Pre-Love, one of the kiddos. Na siya issue. Here, and there. It's okay. Ang tulong buhatan is...
not really.
Kanang handprint siya, guys. Magamit pa. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, this one is another necklace po niya siya from Forever 21. Let's see what's inside. Oh, so cute. Ano siya? Kanang... Scorpio. Hello, Scorpio. It's my month. Okay. It's a fashion jewelry. Zodiac sign Scorpio. So, mo po ni siyang nasa tawag ani sa PIF Movement album nga atong siya i-continue. Balik lagi ko kay para pakdanan. Okay, next. This is also a gift from Miss Tracy. Pero wala ko siya nagamit. Tapos, it's a historic Route 66. Ayan. Siguro kaya ko bet ang color. Mukha ko siyang PIF. Pero now, PIF na nato siya to Madam Sir. Again guys, bisang asa sa Pinas ang maka-join sa itong balikbayan box for free. Banat lata diri sa YT. Okay? Just say hi, hello, goodbye. Kailangan po the relevant inyong comment kay kung dili po din nga labay mo ito sa Mars. Okay? Then abang-abang sa raffle date. Mag-live ko, then dito na ta mag-busy. Ay mo pag direct message na ako kay mga suspended ta. Okay, next. Oh, this one. So cute. Oh, big. Gamay nakaayos ang tanan. It's a one pair set. One from the boys. Ay, ito siya nga size. Size 3T. Mura kang TG ni siya or kang LV. So, napa ko isa kain-ani pod na somewhere. So, let go na nato siya para sa imuhang kiddos. Kung wala pod kay kiddos, please PIF. Because that's the PIF movement. Again, magamay, madako.